Adventurers, we are here for a hike at Whitewater State Park. Let's check it out. Alright, just getting started here, climbing up these big stairs up to Chimney Rock. Start our loop. There's a nice little view here. A little bit of rapids. Yeah, climbing up to Chimney Rock. Interested to see what it's like. There's a beautiful 78 degrees. It's a little humid. I think it rained last night. And yeah, it's a little muggy. And got a little foggy too, so not the best visibility, but we'll see what we can see. This is really cool. Wow. Alright, we've reached the top. I think that was Chimney Rock down there, and this is the viewpoint up at the top. Gorgeous. You can see Whitewater River down there. And you can see how hilly the terrain is here that we're going to be hiking across. Wow, gorgeous. Wish there was a little wind. That'd be nice. Alright. Wow. My thermometer says it's 79 degrees. But it is humid. I feel like I'm walking through a mister. Non-stop. I'm just drenched. I stopped here for like 5 minutes just to try to dry off, but there's no wind. I just feel like I'm getting more wet the longer I stand here. It's really humid. Found a beautiful little spot here. It's red columbine all over. A little bit of a view. But I am up on a pretty high cliff. Ladies and gentlemen, Inspiration Point. Beautiful. This was Inspiration Point. I spent about 25 minutes here. Had some chips, some Gatorade. There was a huge group of people here. I just kind of had to wait for my turn. But yeah, gorgeous spot. That big group that was ahead of me went this way down these stairs coming up, and there was a really loud crash. I wonder if they broke the stairs. Let's find out. Wow, these are some steep stairs, all right, and the boards are wet and slippery. Maybe that's what that noise was. Just down from Eagle Rock, there's a whole bunch of really great overlooks just hanging right off of this huge cliff. Woo! It's giving me a little vertigo. Ladies and gentlemen, Eagle Point. Alright, I've arrived back here at the parking lot. It's kind of at a picnic area, and I didn't realize they had this little informational area here. But alright. Just has a little information about the geology and how the formations were made. Anyway, it was a great hike. It was a little hot, very muggy. It's got to be like 300% humidity out there, I swear. But it is only 79 degrees, so it's not too bad. Not too hot, anyway. Saw a couple of cool birds up there, not a lot of wildlife. There's a lot of people here. I was constantly walking with people or right behind people, passing by people on the path. The path itself was pretty good. It was very rugged, lots of ups and downs, some pretty steep ups and downs. But yeah, and the gnats were incredible. The gnats were terrible. They were swarming me. It was hard to take a break. But thanks for coming with me at Whitewater State Park, Minnesota. Make sure you check me out next week.